Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be discussing a very important topic, that is SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. So these are some rules that we are going to follow, steps we are going to follow in SDLC, that is planning, system analysis and requirements, system design, development, integration and testing, implementation and operations and maintenance. So before moving on to the further to these steps, we'll discuss that what actually SDLC is and why do we need that. Now, basic thing about SDLC is that it represents a methods that how do we have to make a software product, right? And it has to go through various stages so that the product that we make should be a good product for the end users. Or in other words, you can say that a life cycle model, it maps various activities performed on the software product, right? Now, why do we need that? हमें एस डी एल सी क्यों चाहिए? वाई डू वी नीड दैट? बिकॉज वी नीड एस डी एल सी बिकॉज विदाउट एनी एग्जैक्ट लाइफ साइकिल मॉडल द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ योर सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट would not be systematic, right? It will not be in a disciplined manner, right? Now when a team develops a software product, they must be clear and they should be understanding among the team about when and what to do, right? So otherwise what will happen is your software product will fail, right? There will be chaos and your project will fail, correct? So now we'll discuss about the various stages or various steps that are required in SDLC. First is your planning stage. Now this is a very important stage in which you will plan that how to make a software. ठीक है, आपने एक सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे बनाना है, उसके लिए the client they comes to you, right? They are concerned about the like for example they have to make a software for their website, a business software. So they'll tell you all the requirements, उनको क्या चाहिए, what they'll tell before the creating a product, and the core understanding and knowledge of the product is very important. It is very necessary. Once the required function is done, right, the analysis is done with the auditing of feasibility. ठीक है, आपको क्या चाहिए उस प्रोडक्ट में, वो हम प्लानिंग फेज में देखते हैं, राइट? सेकेंड कम्स योर एनालिसिस. Now in your analysis phase they see कि आपके प्रोडक्ट में, आपके सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं, राइट? एंड व्हाट ऑल चेंजेस शुड बी देयर, राइट? वंस द रिक्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस इज डन, राइट, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज सर्टनली रिप्रेजेंट्स द डॉक्यूमेंटिंग, राइट? आपने देख लिया क्या प्रॉब्लम है, यू नीड टू चेंज देयर. उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जाते हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ योर सिस्टम डिज़ाइन. Now designing your system or the software is very important, right? What does it do is it brings down all the knowledge of your requirement phase, your analysis phase, right? It brings down everything and we design a system, right? Now this phase is the product of like two things: input of the customer and requirement gathering, right? In customer को क्या चाहिए और हमने क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी, उसके हिसाब से वी डिज़ाइन आर सॉफ्टवेयर. देन कम्स योर डेवलपमेंट. नाउ दिस इज नेक्स्ट फेज. इन दिस फेज द एक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट बिगिन्स, राइट? इसमें प्रोग्रामिंग होती है, यू हैव गॉट योर इंजीनियर्स, दे प्लान द वर्क, द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ द डिज़ाइन बिगिन्स, राइट? Like basically concerning by writing the code. Developers what they do is they follow certain coding guidelines that are described by their management, right? How to follow the rules, which programming should be done, right? Which tools should be used, like compilers, interpreters, debuggers, right? So what all should we do, should be done, it is done in your development phase. Then comes your testing, integration and testing phase. Now in this phase, when you have developed a product, you test that whether there is any error or not, right? After developing code is generated, development phase is generated, you test your product. During this stage a lot of testing is done, like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing, right? All of this testing is done so that the product that you are making should be good, right? No error should be there. After your testing phase comes your implementation phase, or you can say deploying, right? Now once your software is certified and no bugs or errors are there, you can deploy, you can implement your product, right? Then on the basis of the assessment, on the basis of your assessment, the software is released, right? And the software is deployed, and after that comes your last but not the least is your maintenance phase. In your maintenance phase, you have to update your system time to time, right? Now once when the client starts using this system, the real issue comes up, right? They have to keep updating them from time to time so that no problem should be there. Now this procedure needs to be taken care of, right? This should be taken care of because this is a developed product and you have to be with with the updated technology. So updation is very important, right? So these stages of SDLCs are very important. जब भी हमने कोई सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, वी हैव टू फॉलो दीज डिफरेंट स्टेप्स सो दैट जो हम अपने एंड यूज़र को प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हैं, दैट शुड बी गुड, right? There should be no error in that, right? So this was all about your SDLC stages. Thank you so much.